Hi, I'm Sai Sindan. Today I'm going to share about a travel planner with AI. So this is a Prayana AI. So it is a assignment which is conducted by Travel Technologies company. So it is an AI powered traveling platform built using Next.js, Express.js, MongoDB, and Google Gemini API. So using these tech stacks, I have built this application. So this is my landing page of an application. It is a basically full stack application by integration of MongoDB. Let's get started. To get into product, so I'm going to add like creating an account, right? I'm just giving the random account because I have not validated using particular email because I'm not using any uh, getting OTP for our email. So I'm just added authentication here, right? Using JWT. So I have added credentials here. Now I'm signing up. So the account is creating. It takes some time because the server is running on live. So that's why it takes some time. So hope you can see the account is created, right? This is the dashboard. You can see each user has a personalized dashboard, right? Where where they can manage only their own trips, right? Just you can see this is the landing dashboard. So here you can see these three card you can see this plan user. So whatever we have created our plan, it will be stored here. So these are the static pages and these are the plan generated page. So let me walk you through to create a plan. I have clicked on this on dashboard. I have clicked on this plan new journey, right? So it will be redirected to trip.new/page. So I'm giving the inputs here. Based on the input, we can generate our AI travel itinerary. Then it will be generated and it will fetch. So have already have this data. So I'm copying it and I'm selected this one. And budget I'm going to choose loop and I'm going to choose three options like food, culture, and shopping. I have selected these three categories or interests. Now I'm clicking on AI travel itinerary, right, to generate our plan. It is planning and it is loading here. So based on our personal or budget or recommendation photos, it will be going to fetch on our budget itself. So loading trip information, we can see here. So this is the see you can see it will be redirected to our trip. Right? So this is the trip details itineraries by day wise. Like I have selected for 3 days. Right? So it is added 3 days of each itineraries, right? So let me explain that in detail about it. So for now, I'm going to show you the trip cost. Like currently, it is by default it is showing in dollar, right? we can simply select to our respective currency value. So it can convert or calculate according to our currency from dollar, then it will fetch it. Right? By default, it is showing as dollar, and in backend also it is storing as a dollar. So you can see this suggested place to save. So we have two places like low budget. We have rating here, right? Based on best recommendation, we can choose it and we can plan to book it. And this is the travel itinerary flow. Here you can see that we can edit. We can edit our activity, or we can add our activity. Like for example, I'm going to add one more activity here. Yeah, here. So you can see this input. I'm adding it in day one. You can see here the added. I had copy pasted it and clicking on add. You can see this sunset Krishi at Tokyo Bay, right? So it is added. So also you can edit. You can edit Tokyo Bay, Japan. Let's for example, or like that. Click on save. See, it is updated, and also we can delete our activity. You can see it is asking confirmation. I click on delete. Then you can see it is deleted successfully. Right. Also, you can regenerate our date. So that also I will do for you. Regenerate date with more outdoor activities. Yeah. So I'm regenerating our date 3. With this prompt, you can also elaborate your prompt, how you are planning, and what are the other planning you have. You can simply add the prompt and click on regenerate button. Once you click on it, it will update in data. So you can see this. So it will update data. See, you can see this. The data has been entered, like all activities has updated based on the prompt. Right. So this is one of the trip data, right? So I'm going to show you that my trip section during the trips. So I have added trip one, right? So it is showing the budget and stuff. And also you can delete your uh, trip, or you can view timeline just like how you have seen it. You can add or edit or regenerate, right? You can view that. And these are the static pages, guys. I just have added it better uh, for better planning, or if you don't have any plan or you wanted to search some top places to cover, then these are the static data you can find. So here you can also add CMS platform, and in that we can add the updated content here, and you can also store these images in AWS or Google CCP, AWS S3 bucket, right? You can show that images here itself and get fetched here. So you can see that each card we have plan trip to Rome or plan trip to Tokyo, right? So I'm clicking on it, plan trip to Bali. See, by default, it is store or fetch the data. So based on your convenience, you can select the budget and you can enter some page. Then you can click on Generate AI Itinerary. So it will fetch the data based on your days. So you can add activity, delete or update your activities. Right? And now we will show the static pages also. So So these are static pages only, just for real-time purpose. So these are the plan journey. So this is also a static version just for real-time. So I will explain some architecture because what architecture I have used. See, that was updated, right? You can see this, right? What are the travel budgets you have made on all your trips, right? What are the days you have travel days like that, and how many trips you have covered or planned, right? It will be fed the data. I wanted to show one more like architecture. So for that, I'm going to yes. This is a system architecture. I have created user frontend in frontend, and backend API will process it and it will store on database. Then Google Gemini. So based on our trips are redirected to predictor route, it will be redirected to predictor trips route, and we can structure our travel plan, and we can, that travel plan will be stored on database, and we can respond to the users the same thing, and it will be pursued for now. So yeah, this is my architecture. So I have created, and yeah, finally I wanted to close my with Prayana AI demonstration. So I have created authentication, authorization, and AI integration, right? Just now we have seen it, and trip management. Also, like I wanted to show that uh, additional feature I have added for exporting PDF. So when you click on this export, so it will be download your entire plan. You can see the device, right? So it will after any updation also it will fetch the data here itself, right? Yeah, and yeah, that's all about. And finally, I want to say that I use Gemini service, right? Gemini service. Uh, I used to direct to Gemini API integration, right? I used it for keep architecture lightweight and maintainable. So instead of using LangChain, I have used Gemini API integration. So yeah, that's all about my project. So if you have any doubts, you can comment on my video. Also, you can connect. Also, I have added all my GitHub links and live links below the video. You can find over there and check it out and give me feedback for my entire project. Thank you.